Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to our channel. We are still here in Singapore, and I moved from the hotel to somewhere here in Julan Suka area. Okay, and we are going to unbox here Heroclix display case. Okay, I am together with Larry right now.
Hello.
He is eating brunch, so I'll be unboxing this on behalf of the team. So this one we purchased, I think, a couple of days back in Team Board Games. Yeah. So you can check out their website if you want to pasabay, or just send us a PM. We'll be coming back to the Philippines Sunday, November 26. So, do it as soon as possible. So this one, for those of you who knows or members of the Heroclix International Community page, you would know this is just simply a display case. There's no figure, there's no card into it. It's WizKids licensed display case.
Nice.
So you can see the logo here. Okay, and you can see it's a bit slanted, and there is a card slot at the back. Okay, we'll open one. There are 3 of these in the box. Okay, 2 will go to Larry and 1 will go to myself. Okay, so let's open the one for me. Okay.
What figure are you planning to put in there?
Well, I will put here Old Man Logan. Okay, there's a crack though.
Huh?
There's a bit of a crack here on the left side, but you can rotate it, I guess.
But the name is there.
Yeah, sometimes you don't want the name, eh. If you want, anyway. So know that it fits all views.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you can put the card here. I saw some people in Facebook put Marvel cards inside of Heroclix cards here on this lot. And then of course your favorite character. Dimension-wise, let's see if it's in the box. No, I don't see the dimensions. Okay, but you can put here, show off the gems in your Heroclix collection with the brand new Heroclix single figure display. So these clear cases comfortably fit most standard Heroclix figures and provide protection while also making it the centerpiece of your collection. With these displays, you can show off your favorite Heroclix. How about you, Larry? What do you plan to put on your 2 display?
My World's Finest.
World's Finest.
And Sakarian.
Sakarian Iron Man. Meta. the 2023 Nationals team. A slot in the back of the case allows you to display the character card behind them as well. Bring the aesthetic of a museum to your Heroclix display. So guys, highly recommended if you're able to, especially for those who custom paint their figures or modify their figures, this might be a good way to protect them from the environment. So thank you very much, everyone. Quick unboxing because we're headed out to buy some more. You guessed it right, Heroclix. Bye bye.
Dun, 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 dun.